Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the hottest rumor in the electric vehicle world, the Tesla Model 2. While it's not officially out yet, speculation is running rampant, so buckle up as we explore everything we think we know about this mystery machine. Possible specs. Now, the rumor mill suggests the Model 2 will be Tesla's most affordable offering yet, with a starting price around $25,000. That's a significant jump down from the Model 3, making electric dreams a reality for more drivers. Body style. When it comes to design, whispers point to a hatchback or compact sedan. This would cater to those who want a practical and city-friendly size, perfect for navigating tight streets and busy parking lots. Range and battery. Range anxiety. Not a problem. The Model 2 is rumored to boast around 250 miles on a single charge. That should conquer most daily commutes and weekend adventures with ease. And to make this possible, Tesla might be incorporating a next-generation battery technology that's cheaper to produce, making the car more affordable overall. Self-driving features. Now, Tesla is known for its autopilot features, and the Model 2 might not be an exception. While it likely won't be fully autonomous, expect some driver assistance features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control to be included, making your drives a little less stressful. So, what do you guys think? Is the Tesla Model 2 the electric car you've been waiting for? Hit that like button and let us know in the comments below what features you'd love to see in this new model. Don't forget to subscribe for more electric car news, reviews, and explorations. And until next time.